everyone, today I'm ranking my current top 5 rides at Paultons Park, one of my favourite theme parks. To make it onto my top 5, a ride has to pass 3 rules. First, I must have ridden it myself. I'm only ranking rides I've actually been on. Second, it must have a height restriction of 115 centimetres or less, my current height. This excludes Cyclonator, but hopefully not for too much longer. And finally, it has to be a ride that is open right now. I miss Cobra and Magma, but this is all about what you can ride at Paultons Park right now. There are so many reasons why I love going to Paultons Park. It's not just about the rides and roller coasters. The themed lands like Tornado Springs and the Lost Kingdom are amazing. I love that you get curly tornado fries in Tornado Springs. The gardens are cool, especially when they are themed for Halloween, and I love visiting the animals, like the penguins and lemurs. But the real reason is always the rides, and Paultons Park has loads of brilliant ones. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe if you love Paultons Park as much as I do. Now, let's get started. Kicking off the countdown at number 5 is Ghostly Manor. This is a brand new interactive shooter, dark ride where you enter Dr. Kinley's manor and help catch all the pesky ghosts that are running wild. You get your very own phantom phaser to zap the ghosts and collect points as you ride along in your carriage. Love it because it's different every time you ride it. You have to be really fast to hit all the targets before they disappear. It's a little bit spooky, but it's mostly just really fun. At number 4, it's Caterpillar Coaster. This is a steel coaster in Critter Creek and was one of the first coasters I ever tried at Paultons Park. I like riding from the back as the coaster whips around the corners really fast. The best bit is definitely the main drop from the lift hill. It really throws me out of my seat. At 3, it's my favourite ride in Tornado Springs, Storm Chaser. This coaster doesn't just go forward, it spins you in circles at the same time. This is definitely my favouriteest spinning coaster in the UK. I love this ride because every time you ride it, it's different because the cars spin freely. It depends on how many people are in the car and how fast you're going. I love the feeling of spinning while you're dropping down the hills. It's super fast and super twisty. It's best when you ride from the back seats because you get a more intense ride. Just missing out on top spot, my number 2 choice is Flight of the Pterosaur. This is a Vekoma suspended coaster. It's 20 metres high. The track is above your head and your feet are just dangling in the air. The reason it's so high on my list is the flying feeling. I love the feeling of flying, being up high and soaring over the Lost Kingdom. I love sitting in the front row because you can't see the track at all. My favourite bit is the giant spiral helix at the very end. It feels so smooth and fast as you get really low to the ground. And so, my number 1 ride at Paultons Park is Velociraptor. This is a boomerang coaster in the Lost Kingdom area, and it's just awesome. You go forward, you go backward, and you zoom right over the top of the station. I love it because it's super smooth but really intense. With a 20-metre drop down the first hill and reaching speeds of 40 miles per hour as you swoop round the turns, it's brilliant. When you drop down that first hill and through the station, it feels so fast. Every time I get off, I just want to run back around and ride again. This is a must-do on any visit to Paultons Park. And that's it, my top 5 rides at Paultons Park right now. Did your favourite make the list? Let me know in the comments if you agree with my number 1. I am so excited for the opening of Valgard and I have a feeling this leaderboard is going to change very soon. I've been watching the construction and I can't wait to ride Dracon, Wild Swing and Raven and see which make it onto my top 5. Make sure you're subscribed so you can see my first reaction to the new land. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.